Quiet and with zero local emissions in the city, with long ranges on long-distance trips, or sporty and dynamic with the combined power of the TFSI and the electric motor, the driving modes for the plug-in hybrids in the Q5 product line are versatile and intelligent. The concept is designed so that the driver can cover the majority of their daily routes on electric power. They can decide freely whether and how they wish to intervene in the interaction between the two motors. To do so, they can choose between 4 operating modes. The hybrid mode is activated automatically with the route guidance in the navigation system, but can also be selected manually via the operating mode button. In this mode, the battery charge is distributed optimally across the route in order to keep power consumption to a minimum. Downtown and in stop-and-go traffic, the Q5 and Q5 Sportback TFSI quattro run mainly on battery power. The control function for the drive of the two plug-in hybrids is based on a large amount of data. This incorporates online traffic information, distance to the destination, the route profile of the chosen route, precise information about immediate surroundings from the navigation data, such as speed limits, types of roads, uphill and downhill slopes, and the latest data from the onboard sensors. If route guidance is active in the MMI navigation system, the predictive operating strategy attempts to drive the last urban segment of the route all electrically and arrive at the destination or charging station with the drive battery nearly empty.
Subscribe to Auto TV.